Driving up to Venice Beach today.
Mommy,
Mina,
do you know what we're doing today?
Yes,
We're gonna go to the beach?
Mm-hmm.
Buggy, what are we doing?
Mina, go get Mina. Mina said
What's wrong?
Mommy.
What?
Mina camera.
Yeah, Mina's on the camera.
Please.
You are on the camera.
I just said hi. I didn't say I wanted you.
Oh, thanks, baby. There we go. We're gonna go see Grandma and Papa at the beach. And Caleb and Claire and Chelsea. Okay. Yep, we're gonna go see Uncle Bunkle. Okay. Yeah, we'll go see Uncle Bunkle. Okay? Okay, let's do it. So we're here at Venice Beach. Finally, it took us almost a full 2 hours to get here because the kids were so crabby. Little brother's here. Say hi, Caleb.
Hi. Say hi, Caleb. Hi, Caleb.
Hi, Caleb. Yeah, just vlogging the day. Hope everybody enjoys. Hello, Buggy. There's my baby boy.
He's eating everything, biting it around.
And Sleepy.
Sleepy.
He didn't sleep. It's way past nap time. He didn't sleep on the drive very much. He slept for the first hour or so.
Down.
No.
He's a wiggly eater.
He's a wiggly everything. He's always a wiggly.
He's a big worm. Mommy's just eating Herman.
There's my Herman baby.
See, it looks like it's not mixed up in there. You got chunks up here at the top.
No, shake it around. Sometimes when I fill it up pretty full, it doesn't have enough space to really. It needs one of those shaker balls in there. Oh, is that so funny?
I thought I would make you mad. Oh, goodness sake. Oh, goodness. Well, maybe it's something else. Maybe it's something on the bottle.
It might be. Let me see.
Little,
Oh, this thing?
yeah.
That's a
trying
air
to shake
filter.
I'm trying to shake it into the milk.
No, that's how.
Okay. You done?
Junkie style.
No.
Chunky style formula. Look at Mommy. Mina. Mommy's taking video for YouTube. Mina, can you say hi, friends? Hi, friends. We're at the beach today. The waves are strong. Mina, she got a shell on her knee. Oh, it washed away.
Are they so strong, Mina?
Finding anything? Trying to. So Venice is said to be the shark tooth capital of the world. So we're looking, seeing if we can find anything while we're here for the day. Say hi.
Triangle looks like one almost.
It might be of some kind.
Maybe.
You can't really tell.
It's either a shell.
I think it's a shell.
Put it in my pocket.
In my pocket. That contraption is really cool.
Huh?
That contraption is really cool.
Pretty neat.
Huh?
It's pretty neat.
That's really cool. This beach is so gorgeous.
So what?
gorgeous. Hi, welcome.
Hi, Mom.
What are you doing? I'm recording you. What are you doing?
It's like cleaning.
You're cleaning? What are you cleaning?
It's clean it. It's like wash off.
Oh, your shoes are dirty? You can take your shoes off. Look, mommy's not wearing shoes. No shoes for mommy.
You want me to take off your shoes?
Yes.
Let's take off your shoes, baby. Oh, look at all the shells in there.
What else hurting your piggy toes?
There's Mina. There's Mina's piggies. Alright, another one.
How many shells are in this one? Oh my
Look
goodness.
at all the shells. Mina's an expert shell collector after all. Even if she doesn't want to hold them.
That's okay. Mina, are you having fun? Rosie. Rosaroo. Are you having fun today?
What do you think, Mina? Is it pretty fun? Gift from Travis.
Ooh. That's a pretty gift from
You don't
Travis.
like the sand, baby? You want me to hold you?
No,
Gorgeous. Look how pretty this is done.
You like the
But when you
sand,
get them
baby?
home, they're not as pretty because you have to put them somewhere.
Yeah, and they're not always wet and shiny.
Unless you keep them in a jar of water.
Salt water. Get a jar of ocean water to put them in.
Yeah.
Are you hiding?
For me,
Yeah.
I'm holding.
Yeah, okay. I know how you are.
You want to play with the sand by the water?
She's like, oh, you're digging that out? Okay. Well.
Travis did that one. Mina, what are you doing?
She's digging, of course.
Is that so fun?
Fill up the things for castles. You did it. Good job.
What are you doing?
Oh no, it might mean it's not going to be a round trip. It's probably going to be 69 minus the 20. They've already up to 80.
You're definitely taking a bath when we get home. Honey, did we pack extra clothes for her? I think we did, yeah.
I have at least 4 more dresses.
Okay, that'll work too.
She's going to be out within 10 minutes.
Yeah, I just was thinking
What?
I should probably wash her car seat soon anyway.
wolves, the shell is great.
Get a fresh spot every time. Dig us a big box.
You're gonna have to do your little moat you had earlier.
Right?
Looking good, Chelsea.
It's gonna be one more tower.
We'll come back to this. What's wrong with the baby?
Come here, Baggy. Come here.
The water.
You wanna stand up for a minute?
She's dug. Oh, she started over here. Way over here. These are all dig spots. All those little lines. Those are Mina dig spots. Oh, over to there.
Hey, Grandma. What? I can make a snail,
Woo.
Is that fun?
Yes, Grandma. Your eyes open.
Did it get you?
I'll show it, Grandma.
You're gonna show Grandma?
See it.
All right, Baggy. You wanna move around?
These stars.
Oh, does Buggy need stars? Is that why he's crying?
Bobby's crying.
What's Mina doing? What's Sissy doing?
Sissy. She also she
Yeah.
Is it Chelsea over there?
Yeah,
Chelsea's
I see
over
Chelsea
there.
over there.
Chelsea.
You gonna check with Chelsea?
This was rebuilt after the war.
Yeah. Oh, Chelsea, it's not just the walls. It's the fact that one tower is out far.
Good grief, it's so bright out today. I can't even open my eyes. I forgot my sunglasses in my car, which isn't the car that we took.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. Let me do it again. There you go.
Mina! She's digging the hole.
So am I.
She's like, Chelsea, somebody's going to break their ankle.
Is it so fun?
Did the sand get you?
This is maybe what we're gonna do.
Did you find some trash? Yeah.
So go down to the wet sand and watch the water.
Hey! I didn't agree to this.
Okay, Mommy.
I think so.
That one got you.
She's gonna have so much sand in her hair.
Watch out, Mommy. Watch out.
Oh, okay, I'll watch out.
Watch out, Mommy. Watch out, walk. Watch out.
Watch out.
There you go.
There you go.
Oh, thanks. I step on it.
No.
Oh, no.
Hey, watch out. Hey, watch
Okay.
out.
Okay, I'll watch out. I step on it.
No, Mommy. Hey, watch out.
Oh, okay, I'll watch out.
I'll step on it.
No, just step out.
Oh, Mommy, step on this one. Ugh.
No. And then watch out.
Oh, okay, okay. Hi, Mina. Did you have fun today?
So far is because it's
Uh-huh.
that thin traffic.
I am seeing
Huh?
Mama?
What, Mina?
I'll go water it.
We're gonna go to the water? No, we gotta clean up so we can go home.
Did you have fun with
Time to
Uncle
go
Buncle?
home. She just wants to play. Mina, can I see your face? I want to see how dirty you are. Look how dirty this Mina is.
Rosie, are you going to take a nice bath when you get home?
Yeah, we're going to go home and take a bath? No? Yeah, I think we need to. Mina, move. Mina, don't put sand in the bucket, baby.
We gotta clean it up.
Mean Rose.
She knows what goes in there.
How do you fold the chair?
Oh, they've got to...
Here, get back there.
Cleaning up. We had a blast, but it's time to go. It's like 3:30.
We
We've
got
got
blasted by the waves.
2 hours to go home.
Those were some heavy waves.
I know, I was about washing.
Cleaning everything up. We had a nice little camp spot over here.
Yeah, just
All set up.
Where's
This one.
Oh, there he is. Caleb? Passing out. She was awake a second ago. Elijah's been out for probably 15 minutes already. He was asleep, like within... He's already sleeping.
Yeah,
He's so tired.
He was asleep, like, right when we got in the car. I gave him, like, 5 minutes.
Traffic is going to take forever.
Yeah, we've got kind of... It's 4:28 right now, so basically rush hour traffic. Not basically, it's rush hour traffic. It took us
Hour 40.
An hour and 48 minutes to get there, and when we turned on the GPS to come back home, it said 2 hours and 40 minutes. And it's getting longer. We're down to 2 hours and 6 minutes, but we've definitely been in the car for longer than 10 minutes. So, yeah, it's going to be an adventure drive home. Maybe we'll get some food on the way tonight. But yeah, it was a really good day.
Guess who woke up? Hi, Buggy. Hello.
Buggy, I'm Mina.
What are you doing? Wow.
Mina's a picture. Let me see. Let me see picture. Let me see.
I can't reach you. I can't reach. You're too far away.
Mina busy is Mina's with the camera.
It's Mommy's camera, though.
It's a mommy's camera.
Yeah, Mommy hold it, okay?
It's a Buggy's camera.
Who's kicking? Hi.
Buggy.
Hello.
How's
the memory?
I'm Mina. Buggy, I'm Mina.
It's Mina.
A Mina picture. It's a Mina picture. Please. Please, Mommy. This is a Buggy picture. Good job, Mommy.
Oh, thanks, baby.
Buggy, I'm Mina. I want your picture. Buggy, I smile.
Smile, Buggy.
Smile, Buggy. Buggy, I'm Mina.
Yes, you are Mina.
Buggy's a picture.